everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Boxycharm video. So I'm not going to be trying these products on my face today. That will be tomorrow, and I will be pushing off my Pan That Palette makeup look until this video will go up on Thursday, and then the makeup look will go up on Friday. So that Pan That Palette eye look will be on Saturday. So stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, of course. And if you also aren't already subscribed, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button down there, and I want you to be a part of this little family we got going on here. So let's just jump right into it. So this is what the box looks like opened up. And if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, hello, you need to get out from underneath a rock. But Boxycharm is a $21 monthly subscription that you get 5 full-size items. Or is it 4 to 5 full-size items? I've always had 5. You get either hair care, skin care, makeup, nail polish maybe, and then you can get makeup brushes. So it's really good for building your collection. You've gotten stuff from high-end, from brands you never heard of, like brands that I've never heard of, and I've got stuff from ColourPop and Tarte. It just really depends on the month. It's a good way to build up your collection, and I really highly recommend it. Every single box that you get is always over $100, so one item will already cover the price of your of what you spend month to month. So I think it's perfect. So gotta go and check that out. So when you open up the box, you get a little card that says vacation, so that's the monthly theme, and that's so freaking cute. So this little card has everything listed on it, the price and what it does, da-da-da-da-da, self-explanatory. So I'm just going to pull out the first item that I see, and I have the Pretty Vulgar Blush. And this retails for $26, so that already covers the price of your box. It says, Make them blush powder blush awakens your complexion and provides a natural glowy fit flush to your cheeks. This silky smooth formula is a long-wearing, highly pigmented blush. The buildable blush powder can be worn alone or paired with a multi-dimensional pop of color that will flatter any complexion. So I think the packaging is divine. Like, I'm not even kidding you. The packaging is everything. And this is what the blush looks like. It is a very beautiful, natural flush. I'm just going to go and give you guys a swatch. And it feels very silky smooth. There is a little bit of kickback just by rubbing my finger in it, but, you know, it is what it is. So that is what the blush looks like. I think that would be a very, very nice shade to wear, just on very natural days, because I don't really have a natural blush. I do, but I don't. I think this would be a really good alternative, and there's not much of a sheen. It looks, honestly, when I blend it out on my hand, it looks to be completely matte. There really isn't there's no sheen. So that's what it looks like blended out. So, I mean, it blends pretty easily with my finger. So, I definitely think if, I don't feel like wearing this, I feel like I could also use this as a crease color, It looks beautiful blended out on the skin. So, that's a possible crease color for me, just alone. Multi-purpose type of thing. So, the next thing that I pulled out of my box is the Vintage Cosmetics Company Smoky Eyebrush Brush Set. This brush set trio, I can't talk today, will enable you to create a stunning smoky eye. Use a brush to, oh shoot, I should take it out of the packaging for you guys. Okay, so use your shadow brush to sweep a light shimmery color all over your lids. Then with the, pack a darker color into the angled, pack a darker color onto the angled shadow brush and work it into the creases of your eyelid and outer corners. And then the smudge brush can be used to blend 2 shades together and alternatively use an even darker color to accentuate the crease, oh my gosh, and define the lash line. So it's so cute on these brushes. You have step 1 for the money. You have step, where is it? Then you have step 3 for the shadow, and then you have step 2, step 3, go. Oh my god, I can't talk. But I think they're pretty darn cute. Now, I don't really use slanted brushes in my crease, but, you know, hey, it definitely feels really nice and soft. And I mean, they feel, they feel pretty, they're not weighted like they weigh like crap ton of pounds, but they don't feel, you know, cheap either. They're like that happy medium where they don't feel too heavy, but I don't know. I kind of think they look kind of cheap. Like, I'm sorry, but, you know, I think this is, you know, sleek, expensive looking. To me, this looks kind of cheap. I don't know. I mean, this just reminds me of Elf. Like those Elf dollar brushes. That's what it reminds me of. There's a little bit of shedding. Sorry, but not sorry. You know, whatever. I will see how they work on the eyes. So hopefully that will just change my opinion. Oh, I forgot to say, they retail for $23.15. Yeah. So the next thing that I have is the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. And it's for $20. And it says, get 200% thicker lashes in just one coat. That's a big claim. With a 314% increase of lash curl. The interlocking nylon fibers brush grasp each individual lash and to lengthen, curl, and multiply lashes from root to tip. That is a big claim. I'm not going to be opening this up. I have a bunch of mascaras I got to go through, so tomorrow I won't be using it because I'm not going to be starting the clock on this $20 mascara just yet, unless it's the only thing I'm going to be using. Unless it's a piece of crap, you know. There's always that. The next thing that I'm going to be pulling out is the South Main 3 gel packs. That's weird. So the South Main Beauty, never heard of that. The under eye gels, they retail for $10. Oops. Our under eye gels are great for an easy mask without cleanup. They soften, moisturize, and ensure you to look rested and refreshed. And you get 3 of them. They're supposed to reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturize eye area. And it says, step 1, thoroughly cleanse your eye area. Apply this product under the eye. Leave on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. And it says, step 3, use promptly after opening. Best use for 3 consecutive days. So $10 for 3. I'll see how it does. My skin's very sensitive, so who knows if this may bother me or not. There actually is an expiration date, and I'm happy to say it's not expired. I have 2 years to use this, so that's really, really good. So the next thing I have came in bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. Can't pop it. Okay, so the next thing I have is the Pure Complexion. Here, let me get it out of the sleeve, because this is just like a plain sleeve. So let me just toss that. So, ooh, that's really cute. So that's what the packaging looks like. It's a nice little textured cardboard, and it has little hearts and like a, not necessarily like an Argyle sweater type of thing, but like, you know, little Argyle sweater with little hearts, and it says Boxycharm and Pure, so that's pretty cute. The Pure Complexion Authority eyeshadow palette retails for $36. It says that the traditional palette can be used now or later to bring vibrancy back into your look. Our signature silky smooth ultra matte are paired with pretty pinks and vibrant blue to lighten the mood. Plus, you can layer the shimmer shadows for a duochrome finish. Okay, can't wait to see this. Oh shit! There's tape. Of course. They always make this stuff idiot-proof. Jenny versus tape. I guess I win. I mean, I'm glad they did that. That way I know, like, it didn't bust open on the way here. So that makes me really happy. But, ooh. Those are really pretty. Okay, so this is what we're working with. Guys, look at that. That is so freaking stunning. And we got a decent sized mirror. I have the other palette that we got from Pure. I think the pan sizes they might have been a bit bigger than this. I don't really remember. But I'm gonna go and swatch. I'm gonna swatch the blue. Ooh, look at that. And then I'm going to do this really pretty matte, this really pretty matte magenta kind of shade. Now that feels a bit more rough, so that's really pretty. And I'm going to do one more shimmer because I'm seeing a shimmer that my eye is catching. Of course, I go into like a bronze kind of color. Those are my colors, of course. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, I'm just going to go and give you guys swatches of it. So, blue, magenta, and... ooh, that's like a gold. Those are stunning. And what's interesting is there's a little bit of sparkles in the blue, too. I don't know if that's really picking up on camera, but there's a little bit of shimmers. So I hope that doesn't have any fallout issues, but gosh, that is pretty. And they even have like a dark black here. I'm just going to go and swatch it because that one looks really pretty. It's like a black with like little glitter in it. Then we have like another brown with like a little bit of glitter. Ooh. So the black has like different colors of glitter. I don't know if it will pick up on camera. And the brown has like red glitter. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. Wow. Pigmented. There's the black and there's the brown. Okay, so when you do swatch the brown, you kind of lose a lot of the shimmer. It's like here and there, but the black, you definitely see the sparkles. Like, you just gotta be in person. It's not really like picking up on camera, which really sucks, because these are super, super pretty. I can't wait to use this in a tutorial. Now, my look will probably be I probably won't be using that blue, but, you know, you never know. That would be interesting. So, I hope you guys look forward to seeing the look that I go and create tomorrow. Sorry, I'm just not feeling well. Ugh, I'm still trying to get over whatever, like, this cold thing I've got. So, I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I would love to have you as a part of this family, of course. And, yeah, I really hope you guys do sign up for Boxycharm, and I mean, look at these swatches. These are so... I mean, I think I see Pure in, like... I think I see it in Sephora. Or is it Ulta? I don't know, but I know I've seen Pure before in person. Well, yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.